1-800-LAW-1010, 1-800-LAW-1010.com. Paul Hardy from Martin Hardy Mazzotti on the phone.
Morning, Paul.
Hey, good morning, guys.
What's shaking, buddy?
We're waiting for that. I know we're picking up about 2 minutes or a minute and a half per day.
All
so
right.
I'm kind of counting that out.
All right.
Going
You're
in the right direction.
I didn't know that. That's
It's a
great
glasses
news.
half full kind of guy right
I
there.
love that. Every day, another 2 minutes.
It's not us, Paul, talking vapes every time you come on the show. It's that vaping is in the news. So the latest piece is a judge here in New York saying that the Public Health and Planning Council overstepped its authority, and it's not up to her to keep this ban in place. Explain how this all unfolded for us.
We have a right to make money with our vape.
Yeah, well, we all know the vape is in the news a lot, and we know that there's all kinds of health risks associated with it. Now here, the governor went ahead and did a thing called an executive order and said, guys, we're going to limit the ability to sell certain vaping products. And the judge came out and said, Judge Chalakis, and she just said, hey, maybe, but this is not the right way to do it. An executive order is something like state of emergency. We've got floods coming, something that we need to do in an emergency fashion. And she felt, although important, not exigent, therefore kind of saying, no, we're not going to enforce this.
Non-specific respiratory ailments.
So, so can the governor call in and chime in and make it a health epidemic state of emergency? Can he do that?
Well, again, he can, but probably this decision kind of sending the message needs to be legislatively corrected, if at all. So we've got to go through the old process of all the people we elected to decide whether or not it's something that we want to do, and then the governor can sign the law.
January 8th.
If he's able to.
Cuomo said that he assured me that marijuana will be legal in 2020.
Who said that? The governor?
The governor assured me.
Yeah.
I read it.
Yep.
He was right there in the newspaper.
How confident should Quinn feel about that kind of statement?
I think it's happening. We start giving dates and years. Who knows? But sure, I think
we need money.
Everyone's saying this year. Because we're going to. And, you start losing out on tax revenue because the states all around us are falling. They're producing, and therefore the industry of production is one that really the governor is focusing on, that we need to be on the forefront of that because we have great soil. We have the ability to do it here. And so they think this could be a marijuana growing capital.
Look, you're talking about the daylight we're adding in great soil. You're a little bit of a hippie there, Paul.
Something's going on with me this morning. Yeah, it must be. Yeah.
I love it, though.
So, but
New York State vegetables are highly sought after around the country.
Back to the judge blocking the New York ban on flavored vaping products. From a law standpoint, this is basically the judge telling the politicians to get to work, right?
Yeah, do your job, not the judge's, not the governor's decision to go and unilaterally say, this is not what the public needs. We need the public to decide what the public needs. And so go back and create a law, and then we'll enforce it.
Oh, well, we'll see. We'll see. I mean, you can't count on anything these days when it comes to legislation and red tape and all that. But we'll work it out. We always do.
We do.
We do. We always end up finding a way.
All right, Paul. Thanks for explaining that this morning.
You are welcome.
There he goes. Paul Harding, Martin Hardy Mazzotti, 1-800-LAW-1010, 1-800-LAW-1010.com.